Hi there and welcome. In this video from our Watch Out Beginner series, we'll walk you through how to import and organize media using the asset window, whether you're starting a new show or just adding new material. Let's take a closer look. First, if the asset window is not visible, go to the top menu, click Window, and then Asset to open it. Before you start importing media, don't forget to plug in your Watch Out license. Without it, some functions may not work as expected. With that done, let's move on to importing your media. To start, you can select all your media from a folder on your computer and drag it directly into the empty asset window. WatchOut will read each file and display a small thumbnail preview once it's imported. Once the files are imported, you can organize them by creating folders. Just right-click inside the asset window and select New Folder. From there, simply drag and drop your media files into the appropriate folders to keep things organized. And if you create a folder by mistake or no longer need one, just right-click on it and choose Delete to remove it. Keep in mind that deleting a folder will also delete all media contained within it. To rename a folder, click on it and open the Properties window. From there, you can change the folder name. If the Properties window isn't visible, go to the top menu, click Window, and then Properties to open it, or simply press Shift plus Enter. Alternatively, if you want to import a file into an existing folder, simply drag it on top of the folder, and it will be placed directly inside. If your media is already organized into folders, you can simply drag those folders directly into the asset window. WatchOut will import them exactly as they are, preserving the folder structure and all contained files. Keep in mind that the media you import will stay in the asset window, even when you start a new show. If you're unsure which file types are supported in WatchOut, refer to the WatchOut 7 Users Guide. You can find it by visiting the Dataton website, navigating to the Help Center, and selecting the WatchOut 7 Users Guide. So, to recap, the asset window is your media hub. You learned how to open it, organize it, and bring in your content. Everything you import here is now ready to be used in your WatchOut show. Try importing some media now and see how it looks. Thanks for watching.